Hey everyone, it's Gurmu. Today I'm showing you how to make your eyes look bigger instantly. No magic wands or expensive products needed, just a few simple, effective techniques that transform your gaze. These tips are quick, easy, and perfect for any skill level. We'll focus on enhancing your natural beauty, making your eyes the star of your look. You don't need a huge budget, just a little know-how and creativity. Ready to make your eyes pop and sparkle? Let's dive in. Let's get started on this journey to brighter, bigger-looking eyes together. First up, the eyelash curler. A seemingly simple tool, but don't let its size fool you. It's a tiny tool with major impact, capable of completely transforming your look with just a few squeezes. We're going to delve into the art of eyelash curling, revealing the secrets to achieving that perfect eye-opening curl that lasts. Curling your lashes instantly opens up your eyes, making them look bigger, brighter, and more awake. It's like a mini eye lift, instantly enhancing your natural beauty. Think of it as the equivalent of a morning cup of coffee, but for your eyes. Straight lashes can often cast shadows, making your eyes appear smaller and less defined. They can sometimes even make you look a little tired, even when you're not. But a quick curl lifts and brightens your whole look, instantly banishing those shadows and creating a more youthful, vibrant appearance. It's a subtle change that makes a world of difference. The before and after is truly remarkable. Start with clean, dry lashes, never after mascara. Mascara can make your lashes brittle and prone to breakage, and curling them with mascara on can cause them to stick to the curler and potentially get damaged, so always curl first. Position the curler as close to the base of your lashes as possible without pinching your eyelid, then clamp gently for 5-10 seconds. Avoid squeezing too hard, as this can create a harsh, unnatural crimp. To achieve a more natural, gradual curl, move the curler slightly up the lash line and repeat the gentle clamping motion. This creates a beautiful C-shaped curl that looks effortlessly chic. Think of it as sculpting your lashes into the perfect shape. For extra hold that lasts, warm the curler slightly with a hairdryer before use. The heat helps to set the curl, making it more resistant to drooping throughout the day. But remember, safety first. Always test the heat on the back of your hand before applying it to your lashes to avoid any burns or discomfort. You want it warm, not scorching. This simple trick helps the curl last all day, so you can enjoy your beautifully lifted lashes from morning till night without worrying about them falling flat. Don't press too hard. Gentle pressure is key to preventing damage and achieving a natural-looking curl. Think of it as coaxing your lashes into shape, rather than forcing them. A curled lash draws the eye upward, creating instant lift and making you look more alert and refreshed. It's a simple way to enhance your natural features and create a more flattering silhouette for your eyes. It's a classic trick for a reason. Try it and see the difference for yourself. You'll be amazed at how such a small step can have such a big impact on your overall appearance. Even on no makeup days, curled lashes make your eyes look fresh, open, and more awake. It's a great way to brighten your complexion and add a touch of polish to your look without any additional makeup. Embrace this step for a bigger, brighter, and more captivating gaze. It's a small investment of time that yields significant results, instantly boosting your confidence and enhancing your natural beauty. It's the perfect foundation for any eye look, whether you're going for a natural, everyday look or a more dramatic, evening-ready style. Curled lashes provide a beautiful canvas for your eyeshadow, liner, and mascara, allowing them to truly shine. Give it a try and watch your eyes transform. You'll wonder how you ever lived without this simple yet effective beauty trick. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your eyes. Here's a pro tip. Use white or nude eyeliner on your lower waterline. This instantly makes your eyes look bigger by extending the whites of your eyes. Nude liner is subtle for daytime, while white gives a dramatic, doll-like effect. Choose a creamy, waterproof formula for comfort and staying power. Gently apply along the waterline. No need for a thick line. This trick neutralizes redness and makes you look more awake. It's perfect for tired eyes or allergy days. Try both shades to see which suits you best. A tiny detail, but it makes a huge difference. Want instant brightness? Highlight your inner corners. Dab a shimmery or light eyeshadow near your tear duct to catch the light. This makes your eyes look wider, more awake and refreshed. Use champagne, pearl, or soft gold. Just a touch is enough. Blend well for a seamless glow. This trick works for all eye shapes and skin tones. It's a quick fix for tired mornings and looks amazing in photos. Don't skip this step. Your eyes will thank you. Defining your crease adds depth and makes eyes look bigger. Use a matte brown shadow a few shades darker than your skin. Apply with a fluffy brush in a windshield wiper motion above your lid. For hooded or monolid eyes, place the shadow slightly above your natural crease. Blend well for a soft, natural contour, no harsh lines. This creates the illusion of more lid space and lifts the eye area. Start light and build up gradually. A defined crease polishes any eye look and draws attention to your eyes. It's a must for that wide-eyed effect. Mascara. It's more than just makeup. It's your secret weapon for bigger, brighter, and more captivating eyes. It's the finishing touch that can transform your entire look. But achieving that wide-eyed wonder isn't just about the product itself. It's all about technique. The way you apply your mascara can make or break your entire eye makeup. To start, focus most of the product on the center lashes. This is where you want the most volume and definition. This strategic placement will instantly create a vertical lift, making your eyes appear larger and more awake. It's like a mini eye lift in a tube. Now, for the base. Wiggle the wand at the roots of your lashes. This ensures that you're coating every lash from the very base. Then, with a smooth and deliberate motion, sweep upward for maximum length and separation. This technique not only lengthens but also helps to prevent clumping. When you reach the inner and outer lashes, use a lighter hand. These lashes are more delicate and don't need as much product. Applying too much mascara to these areas can weigh down the eyes and make them appear smaller. The goal is to keep the look open and airy. For the lower lashes, lightly coat them for balance. A touch of mascara on the bottom lashes can really enhance your overall look. However, be careful not to overdo it. Avoid heavy application, as this can create a spidery or unnatural effect. To further enhance your lashes, choose a lengthening or curling formula that suits your lash type and desired effect for best results. And remember, less is often more. Apply in thin coats to prevent clumps and build the intensity gradually. This will give you more control over the final look and help you keep lashes beautifully fanned out and separated. We all make mistakes. If you smudge the mascara onto your skin, resist the urge to wipe it immediately. Instead, let it dry completely. Once it's dry, you can gently flake it off with a cotton swab or a clean fingertip. This will prevent smearing and keep your makeup looking flawless. With these techniques, well-applied mascara instantly opens your eyes, making you look more alert and radiant. It enhances your natural beauty and effortlessly completes the look, pulling everything together. Master this simple yet powerful technique and your eyes will always stand out, leaving a lasting impression wherever you go. Don't forget your brows. They frame your eyes and lift your whole look. Well-shaped brows draw attention upward and make eyes appear larger. Keep the tail of your brow slightly lifted for a more open effect. Tidy stray hairs and fill in sparse areas with light feathery strokes. Use a brow pencil or powder close to your natural color. Soften the front, define the arch and tail for a natural finish. Set with clear or tinted gel, brushing hairs upward for extra lift. Groomed brows complete your eye makeup and enhance every look. Never underestimate their impact. Dark circles can sometimes make your eyes look smaller and give off a tired appearance, even when you're feeling your best. They can be caused by a number of factors, including lack of sleep, genetics, or even just the natural aging process. But don't worry, let's fix that. With the right techniques and products, you can easily conceal those dark circles and brighten up your entire face. We're going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide to achieve a flawless, natural-looking finish. The first step is choosing the right concealer. Opt for a hydrating concealer, especially if you have dry skin under your eyes. This will prevent the concealer from creasing or settling into fine lines. Look for formulas that contain moisturizing ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. When selecting a shade, choose 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation. This will help to brighten the under eye area and counteract the darkness. It's always a good idea to test the concealer on your skin before purchasing to ensure it's a good match. For very dark circles, particularly those with a blue or purple undertone, start with a peach or orange color corrector. These colors will neutralize the darkness and create a more even base for your concealer. Apply a thin layer of the corrector before moving on to concealer. Now, for the application technique. Apply concealer in an inverted triangle starting from the inner corner of your eye and extending down towards your cheekbone. This shape helps to brighten the entire under eye area and create a more lifted appearance. Focus the product under the eye for a lifted effect rather than applying it directly on top of the dark circles. This technique helps to create dimension and prevent the under eye area from looking flat or cakey. Blend gently with your finger or a damp makeup sponge using a patting motion. Focus on the darkest areas first and then blend outwards. Avoid rubbing or dragging the product, as this can irritate the delicate skin under your eyes. To prevent creasing and ensure your concealer lasts all day, set it with a light dusting of translucent powder. Use a small, fluffy brush to apply the powder, and gently press it into the skin. This step is crucial to prevent creasing and keep your under-eye area looking smooth and flawless. Be sure to use a light hand to avoid applying too much powder, which can make the area look dry. This simple technique brightens your whole face, making you look more awake and refreshed. It also draws attention to your eyes, making them appear larger and more vibrant. A well-concealed under-eye area can instantly elevate your entire makeup look. Remember, don't overdo it. Applying too much concealer can actually accentuate fine lines and wrinkles. Less is more for a natural finish. The goal is to brighten and even out the skin tone, not to completely erase the under-eye area. By concealing shadows, you're letting your eyes shine and become the focal point of your face. It's the final touch for a wide-awake, bigger eye look, helping you feel confident and ready to take on the day. That's it, my top tips for bigger, brighter eyes. Try these techniques and see which ones work best for you. Share your results or favorite tricks in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. Thanks for watching and being part of this amazing community. Until next time, stay bright, stay beautiful. See you soon.